The data manager is for entering your data when we're in Plant 3D, and you can export it to a spreadsheet, as you might already know. However, that is just raw data with zero formatting or logical layout other than being able to put the columns in the order that we might want. And the data manager in itself does not perform any calculations. So we're forced to export and then set everything up in the spreadsheet, do your formulas and things like that, which takes extra time. The report creator is the tool for generating a parts list, a bill of materials, specification sheets, using the data from your plant project, what you see in the data manager. And you can use the tool simply to run pre-configured reports in a very simple two-step process. With the report creator, you would set all that up front, press the proverbial easy button, and out comes your data, plus it's laid out the way that you want to see it. And that includes things like calculations. And you can still export to a variety of formats and print them for sharing or part of your deliverable. I mentioned there are some out-of-box reports. The ones that come with the software might be enough to get you started. However, they might not be exactly what you need. We're going to look at a few of those, and then I'll show you the ones that I've come up with. When you need to create a custom report, you can create from an existing one. You can change the data that you're pulling from the project, how it's laid out, what it looks like, and you can even apply filters to get a more refined result to look exactly how you need. You can also create reports from scratch.